Hi, I am Krishna Raju, working as an open source developer for past 4 months in 10th Planet Technologies organized by ChipKits. Today I am going to explain my topic as a item editor examples in Adobe Flex. Today I am going to explain item editor example in SWF loader files. So I have created a copy of a snapshot of creating a data grid in another as a snapshot of another data grid. So I have created a data grid. In that data grid I have created ID as a data grid and data provided as a array as a array collections, and in that SWF loader ID as a SWF loader, filter is a top shadow filter and a filter. In application file I have created a application control bar, document is equal to true, and in that application control bar I have created a button. In label file, take a snapshot of data grid. In that I have clicking event, it will be handled a event of take snapshot of source equal to I bitmap drawable. So when I created a data grid column, it will be view as another data grid as a snapshot of same data grid. Now I have created a data provider as a ARR in a array ID as an ARR. For totally I have created 4 objects. In that 2 columns I have created some text and all. Now these functions are handled in a take a snapshot of when I click a button in take a snapshot of ID events. Now I am running this file SWF loader. Now a data grid is appeared. In that column 1 and column 2 are displayed. In that I have created Krishna 10th Planet Technologies, Raju as a ChipKits, and Raju 10th Planet Technologies, Krishna as a ChipKits. I am altering this 4 text as a column 1 and column 2. Now it will be displayed in this manner. When it is a application control bar. In application control bar I have used a button. When I take a label as a take snapshot of data grid, when I click this event, the entire data grid will be appeared another time. So I am clicking this event, take a snapshot of data grid. See, now another data grid, same like data grid will be appeared. So this is the examples of a take snapshot of data grid is an item editor examples. Thank you for giving me an wonderful opportunity to explain an item editor examples in a SWF loader of taking a snapshot of a entire data grid. Thank you.